In this video, we will show you how to turn separate, static design screens into a single, working, interactive product using UXPin wire. We start with our distinct checkout layouts in the workspace. Clicking Open in Wire launches the project inside the editor, where Wire automatically detects the checkout screens and prompts us to connect them. With one click, Wire builds out the prototype. Instead of redrawing or rebuilding, it connects the real components your screens were already made from into a working app with active client-side routing. In the live preview, everything functions dynamically, recalculating the order total in real time as we adjust item quantities. As we navigate through shipping details, shipping methods, and payment inputs, the application maintains state flawlessly. Placing the final order reveals fully designed success and failure states, demonstrating how the system handles both a confirmed transaction and a declined card. Switching to the Code Editor tab displays the underlying React codebase generated by the platform, from the main entry points to the custom checkout context. Everything is structured cleanly, allowing you to preview your functional app in a new tab, inspect the developer-ready files, or publish the project.